ಅನುದಿನ ಅನುಕ್ಷಣ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲೂ ಕಲಿಯೋಣ ಕಲಿಕೆಯ ಹೊಸ ಹಾದಿಯಲಿ ಜೊತೆಗೂಡಿ ಹೆಜ್ಜೆಯ ಹಾಕೋಣ ಸಂತಸದಿ ಕಲಿಯೋಣ ನಮ್ಮ ಹೆಮ್ಮೆಯ ಈ ಕ್ಲಾಸಿನಲ್ಲಿ.
Yes, sir. Yes, teacher. Present, ma'am.
Good morning, children. Now, welcome to Samveda E-Class, 5th Standard, English, 3rd language. How are you all, children? I hope you are doing well. Yeah, good. I'm also fine, children. Okay, children. Let's, before the poetry, let's know its competency. It is naming word and rhyming words. After the completion of this unit, you are able to read the poem and list out the rhyming words, and then identify and say the naming words, and also list out the naming words from your surroundings. Okay, children? Yes, children. Children, now I will going to ask few questions to you. Are you ready? Shall we? Yes. Now tell me, children, what do you do when you come to the school in the morning? What do you do when you come to the school in the morning? Yes, you play. Then? Yeah, you're right. Good. Then? Yes, you read. Okay, children, fine. Now tell me, children, whom do you play with? Whom do you play with? Yes, you play with your friends. Only with your friends? Yes, sometimes with your parents also. Yes, yes, very good, brothers. Then sisters. Yes, children, sometimes with your neighbors also. Very good, children. Now tell me, children, why do you need friends? Why do you need friends? Yeah, you need friends to play. Yes? Only that much? You need friends only for play? No, children. Along with that, you need friends to share your feelings, ideas and thoughts. Isn't it, children? Yes. Very good, children. Now tell me, children, can we make only human beings or living things as friends? Tell me, children, can we make only living things or human beings as friends? Yes. Then why can't we have friendship with the non-living things? Why can't we have friendship with the non-living things? Yes, like that. Oh, fine. Non-living things doesn't move or talk like us. Very good, children. Now, all of you observe this picture, children. Can all of you see this picture now? Yes. Observe the picture. Now tell me, children, what can you see here? What can you see here? Yes, you can see animals. Very good, children. Now, can you name them? Can you name them? Yes, horse is there. Very good. Then cow. Good children. Yeah, sheep is also there. Yeah, hen is there. Then your pet, very good, dog is there. Yeah, cat, very good. Fine children, hare is there. You left one more, no? Yes, very good, camel is there. Do you love animal children? Yes. Now tell me children, do you have a pet in your home? Do you have pet in your home? Yes, very good. Can you name them? Yeah, cat. Very good. Then dog. Fine. Then yeah, cow is there. Very good children. Now tell me children, how do you play with them? Sometimes you are going to play with them, no? How do you play with them? Yeah, you play with them by sometimes pulling its tail. Good children. Yes, you sit on its back and enjoy. Then, yeah, you run with that. Very good children, you all gave a good answer. Okay children, let's see another picture here. All of you, please observe this picture. Okay children, now what can you see in this picture? What can you see here? Yes, trees are there. Good. How many trees are there? 4 trees. Good children. And then? Yeah, toys are there. So many toys are there, isn't it? Fine children. Then? Yeah, cycle is there. Next. Good, boy is there. Yeah, little train is there and track is there. And then children? Car. What color is the car? Red car. Okay, fine, it's a remote car. Superb children. What else children? Yeah, doll is there. Very good children. Do you love dolls children? Yeah. Now tell me children, some might have played and talked with the dolls. Some might have played and talked with dolls. Have you ever noticed? Have you ever noticed? Yes, most of the times you are going to spend playing with the dolls only. You all love dolls, no? Very good children. You all gave the correct answer. Apart from that, did anybody make friendship with the nature? Apart from all this, do anybody make friendship with the nature? No? No? Okay children, now tell me, what can you see in the nature? What can you see in the nature? Yes, you can see river, very good. Then mountain, very good children. Then flowers, good. Yes children? Sky, very good. Yeah, birds are there. Next. Yes, moon is there. We can see a number of things in the nature. Very good children. Have you ever talked with any one of these things? Have you ever talked with any one of these things? That means sun, with the river, the mountain? No? Okay, children. Now listen here, children. When I was in 5th standard like you, I sit alone in the class. When I returned home, after returned home, I shared my feelings and thoughts to the reflection of mine in the mirror. In the same way, here is a person, he shared his feelings with the non-living beings. Though they can't talk or move like us, he shared his feelings with that. Do you know that, children? Who is that person and his friends? Can you guess, children? Who is that person and his friends? No? Okay, children. Let's see who is that person and his friends in the poetry. Friends. What is the name of a poetry? Friends. Very good, children. This poem is written by Abby Fowell Brown. Before that, children, let's see the new words. Are you ready? Yes, you have to listen and observe carefully. Lie. Lie. L-I-E, lie. Lie means to sleep on the back, face upwards. Lie means to sleep on the back, face upwards. Look here, children. Who is lying here? Yes, a boy is lying. Where is boy lying? A boy is lying under a tree. Another lie is there which is opposite of truth. Okay? Did you understand, children? Shall we move to the next? Okay, children. Next, flickers. Flickers. F-L-I-C-K-E-R-S. Flickers. Flickers means shines dimly. Flickers means, shines dimly. Look here, children, all of you. What can you see here? Here, one bulb and here, bulbs, isn't it? Yes. The bulbs are flickering. How are the bulbs? Yeah, the bulbs are flickering. Very good. Let's move to the next. Bent. Bent. Bent means sharply curved. Bent means sharply curved. Look here, children. What can you see here? Pencil. Yeah. How is the pencil? It is bent. Isn't it? Yeah, the pencil is bent. The pencil is bent. Next one, children. Lace. Lace. Lace means a decorative cloth which is made by weaving. Lace means a decorative cloth made by weaving. We can see a number of varieties of laces here. Can you see here, children? Yeah, so many laces, so many patterns of laces are here. These are varieties of laces. These are varieties of laces. Okay, children, next one. Steel. S-T-E-A-L, steel. Another steel is there, children. S-T-E-E-L, steel. S-T-E-E-L, steel means that is a metal. Whereas here, S-T-E-A-L, steel means to take something without permission. To take something without permission. Look here, children. Who is there in the picture? Yeah, thief. You can see a thief. Good. What is the thief doing? Yeah, a thief is running with the stolen bag. A thief is running with the stolen bag. Okay, children, next. Whisper. Whisper. W-H-I-S-P-E-R. Whisper. Whisper means to speak quietly in a low voice. Whisper means to speak quietly in a low voice. Look here, children. What is the boy doing? Yes, a brother is whispering to his sister. A brother is whispering to his sister. Next, children. Gentle. 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 Gentle means mild and kind. Gentle means mild and kind. Look at this picture. Who is there in the picture? Yeah, mother and baby. What is the mother doing? Mother is holding her baby gently. What is the mother doing? Mother is holding her baby gently. Okay, children. Now, we shall learn the poem. Shall we? Yes, children. Now, all of you open the text. Yes? Are you ready, children? Yes. Now, close it. Close it. Now, you have to listen carefully. I am going to recite the poem. Okay? What is the name of the poetry? Friends. Repeat after me, all of you. Friends. Who is the poet here? Abby Fowell Brown. Yes, repeat, children. Abby Fowell Brown. Good. Shall we, children? Yes. All of you look at here and listen carefully. How good to lie a little while and look up through the tree. The sky is like a kind big smile bent sweetly over me. The sunshine flickers through the lace of leaves above my head and kisses me upon the face like mother before bed. The wind comes stealing over the grass to whisper pretty things, and though I cannot see him pass, I feel his careful wings. So many gentle friends are near, whom one can scarcely see. A child should never feel a fear wherever he may be. Okay, children, now open your text. Open the text. Now you have to recite with me. Are you ready? Shall we? Yes, children, here we go with. How good to lie a little while, to look up through the tree. The sky is like a kind big smile bent sweetly over me. The sunshine flickers through the lace of leaves above my head and kisses me upon the face like mother before bed. The wind comes stealing over the grass to whisper pretty things, and though I cannot see him pass, I feel his careful wings. So many gentle friends are near, whom one can scarcely see. A child should never feel a fear wherever he may be. Now, look here, children. Shall we learn the poem? Shall we? Yes, children. Now, all of you listen attentively and look here. What is the name of a poetry? Yeah, good children. Friends. Very good. How good to lie a little while. What do you mean by lie, children? What do you mean by lie? Yeah, lie means to sleep on the back, face upwards. Little while means for short amount of time. Little while means short amount of time. And look up through the tree. Look here, children, all of you. Look at the picture. Who is lying there? Yes, a child is lying there. Where it is lying? It is lying under a tree. How good for the child to lie a little while for short amount of time lying under a tree feels the child very happy. Isn't it, children? Now, shall we do an activity? Shall we? Yes, children. Just all of you close your eyes. Yes, good children. Now, you all imagine that you are lying under a tree. Okay? Are you all imagining? Yes. And after that, you are going to look up through the tree. Yes. Now, open your eyes. How do you feel, children? Yeah, you feel very happy, no? Good, children. Now, in the same way, a child feels very happy by lying under a tree and look to the tree. Who is a child here? Yes, and the poet was a child. He feels like this. And the sky is like a kind big smile. What is like a kind big smile? A child, a sky. Look here. How does the sky looks? It looks like a kind big smile. Bent sweetly over me. What do you mean by bent, children? Sharply curved. Very good, children. In our school, every Saturday, you are doing exercises, no? While doing exercises, you are going to bend your back like this, no? Yeah, that is known as bent. Bent means sharply curved. Very good, children. The sky is like a kind big smile. For whom it looks like a big smile? For a child. Very good, children. Child means who here? Yeah, he is a poet. When a poet was a child, he is lying under a tree and looks through the tree. A sky looks like for him like a kind big smile which bends sweetly over me. Me means who here? Yes, good, children. Me means child. Okay, did you understand, children? Yeah. Now tell me, children, how does the sky looks like? How does the sky looks like? Yeah, very good, children. The sky looks like a kind big smile. Very good, children. Now, next. What is the rhyming word of while? What is the rhyming word of while? Yes, good, children. Smile. Very good, children. While and smile are rhyming words. Give him a big applause. Very good. Shall we move to the next stanza? Okay? Good, children. Next. The sunshine flickers through the lace of leaves above my head. What do you mean by flickers, children? Yeah, flickers means shines dimly. In your home, sometimes when the voltage is low, the bulbs are flickering, no? Yes, that is known as flickering. The bulbs are shines dimly at that time. In the same way, look at this picture. What can you see? The sunshine flickering through the lace of leaves above my head. Lace means what, children? What do you mean by lace? No, children, here. This is not that lace that you are going to eat as a snack. As we discussed, no, lace means a decorative cloth made by weaving. Lace. Now observe your clothes, all of you. Do anybody have laces on your dresses? Yes, very good, children. Yes, of leaves above my head. My head means whose head? Yes, my head means on child's head. And kisses me upon the face like mother before bed. Look here, children, what is the mother doing? Yes, mother is kissing a child. As the mother kisses to a child, the sunshine kisses upon the child of a face. Did you understand, children? Yes. Now tell me, children, what do you mean by flickers? Yeah, flickers means shines dimly. Very good. Now, what is the rhyming word of lace? Yeah, rhyming word of lace is face. Lace and face are rhyming words. Very good, children. Let's move to the next stanza. The wind comes stealing over the grass to whisper pretty things. What do you mean by whisper? To speak quietly in a low voice. Okay, to whisper pretty things. Look here, children. What can you see in this picture? Grass. How is the grass? It is bent. When does the grass bend? When the wind blows, the grass bent. Can we see the wind, children? No. Good. We can't see the wind, but we can feel the wind. And though I cannot see him pass, I means who here? Yes, I means child. Him means wind. Though the child cannot see the wind passes, but a child can feel his careful wings. His means winds. I means who here? I means a child. Okay children, fine. Now tell me children, what comes stealing over the grass? Yeah, very good. The wind. You have to give the answer in a sentence children. Yeah, the wind comes stealing over the grass. Give her a big applause. Good children. Next, what is the rhyming word of things? Yes, rhyming word of things is wings. Things and wings are rhyming words. Let's move to the last stanza children. So many gentle friends are near, whom one can scarcely see. What do you mean by gentle children? Gentle means kind and mild. Very good. One whom can scarcely see. Scarcely means rarely. So many kind and mild friends are near the child. But though the child sees them rarely, but a child should never feel a fear wherever friends may be. Wherever a child may be, a child never feels a fear. I think you hope enjoy the poem. Isn't it children? Yes. Now children, name some of the gentle friends of the child in the poem. Name some of the gentle friends of the child in the poem. Yes? Yes, sky. Very good, sunshine. Yeah, wind. Tree. Very good children. You are all clever children. Let's do an activity. Are you ready children? Yeah, here we go with. Now what you are going to do is, you have to match the following rhyming words. Are you ready? Shall we? Yes children. First I am going to read the words in column A. While, free, head, grass, near. Words in column B are me, bed, pass, fear, smile. Are you ready children? Yes. Now tell me children, what is the rhyming word of while? Yeah, smile. Very good children. While and smile are rhyming words. Repeat all of you. While, smile. Which is the ending sound here? Yeah, I'll. Very good children. Now, what is the rhyming word of free? Yeah, it's me. Free and me are rhyming words. Good children. The next one. Rhyming word of head? Bed. Good children. The fourth one. What is rhyming word of grass? Pass. Very good. Grass and pass are rhyming words. Which is the ending sound here? What is the ending sound here? Ass. Good children. The last one. Near. What is the rhyming word of near? Yeah, it's fear. Very good children. Near and fear are rhyming words. You are all done a great job children. Let's move to another activity. Shall we children? Yes. Good children. Here we go with now. Now what you are going to do is, you have to identify the naming words in the following. What you are going to do, you have to identify the naming words. Yes children. I am going to read the sentences. First one, Raju is running. Second one, this is a cow. Third one, I have 2 pens. And fourth one, we are going to Mysore. And the fifth one, today is Thursday. Okay children, got it? Shall we? Yes children. Now tell me children. First one, Raju is running. Raju is running. You can identify and say the naming word here. Which is the naming word? Yeah, Raju. Very good. How do you say Raju is the naming word? Yes, very good children. It's a name of a person. Can you give one more example for that? Yeah, Sheila. Very good. Give him a big applause. Fine children. Next one. This is a cow. This is a cow. What is the naming word here? Yes, cow. Very good children. Because cow is the name of a animal. Good children. Now I have 2 pens. I have 2 pens. Which is the naming word here? Yeah, pen. Because pen is the name of a thing. Good children. Fantastic. The fourth one. We are going to Mysore. We are going to Mysore. What is the naming word here? Yeah, Mysore. Good children. Yes, yes, palace is there in Mysore. You are all good children and clever also, isn't it? Why Mysore is the naming word? Yeah, it's the name of a place. Can you give two more examples for that? Yes, Bombay. Then Hyderabad. Good children, fantastic. The last one, let's move to the last one. Today is Thursday. Today is Thursday. Which is the naming word here? Thursday. Very good children. I hope you all enjoyed the activities. Okay children, let's come to the last part of today's session. That is homework. I hope you are going to take down the homework now. Okay, I hope you open the notebook now. All of you take a pencil and notebook and take down the homework. What you are going to do is you have to list out the naming words from your surroundings. You have to list out the naming words from your surroundings. You have noticed so many things in your surroundings, no? You have to list out them. Observe and list out them. It's very easy homework, no? Yes children, thank you very much. Have a great day. This is Rupa from KPS Sagar. Thank you once again.